Well, we're waking up to another beautiful morning here. Look at this, clear blue skies. It's supposed to be, I think, in the low 60s today, so we're gonna get our kayaks out. This has been super quiet and peaceful here. These campsites are a little close together, but we are currently the only ones here, so it's working out very nicely. We feel like we have this whole campsite area to ourselves. So we got the vans parked here, and this is the little camp area. Just getting some firewood split up for a campfire tonight. We're probably going to get the kayaks out here in a little bit and go for a little paddle and then come back, and we're just kind of enjoying some leisurely camp time and some warmer temps. It's been real nice. So we'll check in when we get the boats out. All right, we're going to paddle again. We got another awesome day. Kelly's laughing at me because I got my GoPro on my forehead. We're gonna paddle down to Cypress Springs. Sounds like it's just a little ways downstream. So we'll see. This section of the creek here, Holmes Creek, has been pretty murky as far as the water goes. And all the pictures of the spring we've seen show these crystal clear blue waters, so we're curious if it's going to clear up when we get down there. I guess there's only one way to find out. Away we go! Well, it looks like we found it. We see some people up ahead. Looks like this little inlet kind of ends here, and the water has gotten substantially clearer. You can see right to the bottom. I haven't got my fishing license yet, but I'm going to get that here pretty quick for our stay in Florida. Oh, there's a rope swing. Nice. I might just have to do that. Glad I brought a towel. Yeah. Okay, I can't not go in. Water's actually not too bad. A little chill to it, but it is surprisingly warm for this time of year. This kid's about to do the rope swing. I'll get it to you, buddy.
Yeah. Thank you.
There you go. All right, this guy's gonna show me how to do it. Show me what I gotta do. There he goes. Woo! Yeah. Nice job. Okay, and then the natural spring is right out here. I'm gonna swim out to it. You can see the water churning. Oh, this is pretty awesome. Just a few weeks ago, we were in freezing and snow. Now I'm swimming in a spring. Your turn. Well, we made it back down to the spring, and it's all murky this time around. We did get a rain about 5 days ago. Water level is way up. We were standing on this deck. Now it's submerged. So it looks like you gotta come here at low water when there hasn't been a rain for a while. So far, this was our first camp in Florida. using the Water Management District camping areas. It's free, you just have to reserve online. And again, no one showed up the whole time. We had the whole campground to ourselves. Maintenance guy did come in once to empty trash, and then a guy came to clean out the porta potty, which was awesome. We were able to get a couple paddles in with the kayaks. So overall, we just had a really awesome stay here. We're excited about moving on. It was great to just have that solid week of downtime. But it is time to ramble on. The adventure continues. Well, here we are on the Gulf Coast. The sand is a little wider than on the West Coast. What a beautiful day. It's actually warm out. Wow, look how clear it is. This was our luxurious shower accommodations, free showers at the beach. Not the warmest, but thankfully it's warm outside.
Thanks, guys. Have a good night.
Yes, sir. Start the haul.
Well, I've seen a couple of these little fenced off, seemingly parking areas. There's a little sign head here, so I'm going to check and see what it is. I don't know if this is trailhead parking or what. I feel like it's worth checking out. We may be able to just overnight in one of these. National Forest. Let's check it out. Yeah, so this is actually the Florida National Scenic Trail runs through this area. This is actually a trailhead parking area for the trail. Overnight parking is allowed in the trailhead, so we're not going to like set up camp or anything, but we think we may just overnight here. Maybe check out some of the trail before the storm comes in. Seems pretty hard packed here, and looks like a good option. It's already getting on in the afternoon, so we don't really want to continue exploring too much today. This may be just the spot we need. Okay, this overnight spot went well. We did get a decent amount of rain, and it's pulling up a little bit here, but the ground seems pretty firm, so we should be all right. And it's continuing to come down. It's supposed to get a lot more rain today, so we're going to move on to somewhere where we have some cell service, do a little bit of research. We'll probably book another Water Management District camp because this national forest isn't really working out. Just not a lot of places to camp, and with it being hunting season, dispersed camping isn't allowed. So we're going to go ahead and move on, see what we can find. The adventure continues. We're going to continue on this big, getting some lightning. We're going to continue on this Big Bend Scenic Byway, heading south. Probably stop in the town of Sopchoppy, Florida. Hopefully we'll have cell service there. We can do a little research. And then we'll be getting back on Highway 98 East, continuing east. And we really don't know where we're going, but we'll find something. Away we go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kind of an abrupt stop in this one. I had to end it mid-travels here. Things have been a little chaotic. I've been running around checking out different vehicles and that. So a little update on my search for the new Adventure Van platform. Things are progressing along rapidly, and I really feel like I've decided I know what I want to go with. So I'll be talking about that here shortly in an upcoming video on why I want to go with the platform that I've decided on, the pros and cons of the different things I was considering, and yeah, we'll just talk about all of that. Got a little behind in my videos with keeping busy with all that running around, looking at vehicles and stuff, so I will be up to speed here shortly, probably in the next video or two, and probably be revealing what I've decided to go with, and hopefully have a new vehicle to show off. I have found an owner for the G20. He is very excited about getting it, so I've had to clean it out, open up a storage unit to store stuff. Extremely grateful for Kelly being with me here. She's let me spend a lot of time in her van. Got the tent set up to use as well. So yeah, things are happening fast, very, very exciting. And I just wanted to give a big, big thank you to all of you guys who have been following along. Just super grateful to have you along for this adventure. It's been awesome. This is my 8th year in a van. 2021 is going to be my 8th year living in a van. I can't believe it's gone by so fast. And I honestly wouldn't have it any other way. I'm just having so much fun out here, just seeing so much, meeting so many great people. It's just been amazing. So I wanted to announce as well, I've got stickers back in stock. I've been out for quite a while. Been getting a lot of questions on when I'll have more in stock, so I've got 300 in stock now. I'll leave a link in the video description down below. You can click on that link to order a sticker if you'd like. All the support is appreciated very much, and just appreciate all your continued support through your viewership of the videos. It means a lot to me. I really hope you all are doing well out there, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.